Aldi's prices right now are beating Walmart, and it's rivaling what you're finding at Costco. Stick with me in this video because I'm going to show you why you may start shopping here instead. So welcome back to Do It on a Dime, where in this completely non-sponsored video, I might convince you to check out Aldi this week, right before Thanksgiving. These are the items you don't want to miss, and we're going to have lots of fun. If you've never shopped at Aldi before, there's over 2,000 locations around the United States. I'll be sure to link down below. Food prices especially are crazy right now, but Aldi has a price rewind, taking us back to those 2019 prices. It helps me save $50 a week on groceries alone. I have so much to cover, but the first way you're gonna save huge is by buying your meat at Aldi. It beats Walmart's price. I'm talking the ground beef. And from all my research, it's the cheapest place to buy your Thanksgiving turkey at just $1.07 a pound. And while you're at it, you can pick up these carving boards. They're just $11.99. On meats alone, I tend to save about 10% by shopping at Aldi, including the staples. Milk, butter, and eggs are a solid 50 cents cheaper than they are at Walmart. You can get basic spices for under $1, 79 cents, as well as sprinkles. I have not seen prices like this, under $4 for these giant containers. You really are saving. This bagel sprinkle, this is rivaling the everything but the bagel sprinkle that retails from $7 to $11. This is great for your platters like cream cheese boards, is only $1.85. All of the basics that you need for your holiday items, whether you want to get apple cider and cranberries because you want to make something mulled in the crock pot, or those basics can be found at Aldi. And what's more, for your appetizers, you cannot go wrong. You will save up to 80%. I'm not kidding. You can literally bring an appetizer somewhere for under $5. You can't beat that price anywhere. If you're enjoying, leave this video a thumbs up because it lets me know you want more like this. If you want to put together a gorgeous cheese board, Aldi is a place I would recommend for your cheeses. They're super high quality. I found a brie wheel for less than $3. Those are like $9 at my grocery store right now. One of my favorite tricks is to take a soft cheese and add some jelly with it. You can get this for less than $2 at Aldi. If you like simple appetizers, cheese boards are always the way to go. In addition to hummus, hear me out. Aldi has the absolute best flavored hummus, the mint chocolate hummus and the vanilla cookie hummus. Oh my gosh, this is in the range of healthy. It makes a great snack and super easy appetizer. Do not sleep on that one. Aldi is known for having off-label brands that rival their name brand counterpoints. I love shopping Aldi for wine. You can see how many points that the wine has, and lots of the signage will tell you this is a family fan favorite, so don't miss it. Some of my favorites are the fresh pico de gallo and the salsa. If you saw on Instagram, I'm a little bit under the weather, so I was sure to pick up my vitamin bombs from Aldi. They are half the price that they are at my grocery store, and I just mix this in with seltzer water. I also buy this at Aldi. It's half the price of LaCroix, and I think tastes awesome. Definitely try this if you find yourself sick this week or next or the following. Just leave a comment down below. Has your family gotten the junk yet? Man, it definitely passed through mine, and we are still trying to recover. But do you know what is not junk? The serveware section of the store this year. They have hors d'oeuvre warmers, s'more makers, and these are all under $40. But I think my favorite thing is the crafted brand cookware. They have cast iron skillets, and if you didn't know, these are made in Italy and rival the high-end name brands. And they're under $10. They're under $10. They also have this knockoff Vitamix, which actually has a 5-year warranty, and this awesome stand mixer for under $80. They have a double apron set for adults and kids for just $9.99. And this dish dryer rack, I got mine on Amazon. At Aldi, it's under $10. And a viewer commented she likes to put hers in her dishwasher to help when she has smaller items. I thought that was a great idea. But leave me a comment down below. What do you think of some of these items and the price points? Chocolate and nuts, holy cow, I always get from Aldi. Please stock up on these, especially some of the name brand chocolates. These are a third of the price that I'm seeing at other stores, even like Costco. Aldi is really knocking it out of the park in 2022. And one thing, my friends, you don't want to miss right now are the advent calendars. These sell out so fast, especially if you love chocolate. They have Belgian chocolate advent calendars for under $15. They even have lots of options for your kids. Some of them are $1.29 a piece. They also have wine and seltzer advent calendars, which was
super cool to find. But I think my personal favorite was the candle advent calendar. These are gorgeous and under $40. And my friends, if you did not know about the Aldi candles, consider yourself now informed. The throw is incredible, and some of these are under $5.
But they hit it out of the park this year with these marble candle stands for $7, as well as these candle warmers. It's got a section for warming your wax melts as well as your candles. This is a great gift idea.
If you're going to be hosting this year, Aldi might be the place to go for you. They have tons of inflatable beds. These were under $40. I thought it was great. Lots of things to get your bathrooms and guest areas ready, along with tons of decor. All of it was really reasonably priced.
What are some of Kathryn's picks? I really loved this portable space warmer. This is amazing for porches. I love the size of it. It's under $70. They also had these really cool entryway tables, and I adored this coat rack, and this was on clearance for $19.99. Would you leave me a comment down below with some of your favorite Aldi finds? Here are some of mine. These throw blankets are some of my favorites, and they are so soft and just $18.99. And they have winter boots this year, ranging from kids boots to $15 to about $25 for adult boots. This is similar in fit and style to the Hunter brand.
And did you know that Aldi clearance happens all the time? I love finding those clearance tags. At my store, they had tons of items to organize around your house.
I love me a good as seen on TV product. I'm kind of a sucker for it. And then these turntables are just $8, and it's rivaling what you're gonna see at the home edit line.
I was really excited to see the puck lights on clearance for just $11, and they're on a timer, which is super crucial.
And I'm glad you're sticking around. The best day to shop at Aldi is Wednesday. That's when they're going to put out all of that new merchandise as well as the discounts. Don't miss it.
If nobody has told you today, you are enough.